In this experiment, I am going to explain use of IC 555 as a astable multivibrator. For that, this is the circuit where you can see 4 and 8 are shorted. You can connect 4 8. Then this is connected to positive supply. So let's start connecting as per this circuit diagram. First, let us start with 4 and 8, and this 4 8 is connected to positive. Here we will apply 10 volt. Then one is grounded. For ground, let's use black color wire or green color wire. Now let's start from this point. 1 is grounded, then 5 is connected to ground through this capacitor C2. So we can use this C2 from 5. This value is also same, so we can use that also. Then the other end of the capacitor is connected to ground. Then 6 7 this is pin number 6, this is pin number 7. 6 2 is shorted, so let's 6 and 2 connect together, and from this we have to connect positive of the capacitor. First we will connect 100 microfarad capacitor, then after it starts blinking we will shift to this 0.01 capacitor. The other end of the capacitor is connected to ground, this one. So this is ground, this is ground, this is also ground. So you can connect to any terminal. Then in between the 6 and 7 RB is connected. So take one more from 6 RB, this is RB. The other end of the RB is connected to pin number 7, is connected to pin number 7, and from pin number 7 we are going to connect RA. This is RA. You can see here RA is written, that is 12 kilo volume, RB is 8.2 kilo. Then the other end of the RA is connected to positive supply. So this part is also completed, this part is completed. This 3 is the output. Here it is showing to CRO. First we will connect it to LED. So from 3 we are connecting first to LED, and the other end of the LED is connected to ground. Internally it might have connected to ground. So we have connected as per this diagram. Let's apply this 12 volt or 10 volt. And for ground, let's connect black. Here you are seeing LEDs blinking. It means this circuit is okay. Now shift this here. Since now the frequency is high, it will constantly glow. Now connect the CRO. In this CRO there are two channels, channel 1 and channel 2. This BNC connector is connected to positive pin. So connect this here. You can take help of crocodile pin. Then the other terminal you have to connect to ground. For ground I am connecting this banana pin to connect here. Make sure that this terminal is connected properly, or you can connect crocodile pin. ज़्यादा crocodile pin क्या गया घंटक नहीं तो ओ ज़्यादा साला यार कैसा चक्कर यार मेरे मिक्सर स्टार्ट कर दो. हाँ
स्टार्ट किए
हाँ पॉज किए थे ना मैं. ठीक है वो कट कर दूंगा. ऐसा हाथ किया तो मतलब पॉज कर दो. ज़्यादा ज़रा है क्या. Here you are seeing so many are pressed. So release all this. Make sure that no other is pressed unnecessarily. Let's connect this. Make sure that intensity so here we have changed these two connectors from 100 microfarad to 0.01 microfarad. Here this is the positive terminal and this is the negative terminal of the BNC connector of this CR. So here on this you are getting waveform. Note down this position, it is kept on 50 microsecond and this is 5 volt. You can take it on 10 volt. This size will change, but this is at the suitable size, so I have kept at 5 volt and here it is 50 microsecond. If I increase to 0.1, the frequency here it is showing more. So now you have to measure on time and off time. For that, make sure that this calibrator is fully turned in anti-clockwise direction. Then you align the starting position using X and Y position. So I have adjusted here so I can measure. You have to see directly from the front side. So here off time is 1 division and on time are 2 division. Off time is 1 division and on time is 2 division. You have to trace this waveform on graph paper. You can see voltage is kept at 10 volt and this is that connection.